everybody, I'm Corbin, here with my friends. Got a big tractor tire, a sweet ride, and we're gonna do some tractor tire dodgeball.
Stop! This is extremely safe stunts!
Yeah, we got some pads and probably not enough pads, but we'll just, yeah, probably not enough pads. We'll make it safe. That was a good one.
Go, 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 go! Oh! Go, 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 go!
I don't know how, but I ended up under the bike and the tire. It's 1-1. It's time for the tiebreaker.
Go, 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 go!
I don't know about you guys, but I'm really tired of this. Oh, tired! Tired!